The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now viewers and subscribers, there are a few things more I have to talk to you about in this video, and the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is about a music video that has been done by a musician who goes by the name of Dirtz C DiRTz. Yeah, Dirtz C DiRTz. You see me? See the spelling of his name right here, just in case if I get the pronunciation wrong. Dirtz C DiRTz is a Jamaican musician, or you could say a Jamaican artist, as also some persons might call it. You see me? Yeah, Dirtz C DiRTz do a song that is known as Great Comfort, or you could say that him do a music video that is known as Great Comfort, because I'm going to present the music video to that song to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? I say, yeah, Dirtz C DiRTz a good artist, and Dirtz C DiRTz I do road. You understand? Dirtz C DiRTz performed at quite a number of stage shows I know about. You know, Dirtz C DiRTz also performed at an event that is known as Ratatam Sunsplash. You see me? But listen me now, people. See me? You see, this piece of the music video I'm going to present to you is from the explicit version of that music video. You see me? Yeah, because on the piece that I present to you, I present everything to you, people. You see me? I say, but if you want to go check out the rest of that music video, you can go over upon Dirtz C DiRTz YouTube page. You understand? Yeah, more songs that you can go listen to. You see? I so explain some more thing about that. But anyways, we're going to listen to the song right about now. People, I'm going to warn from right now that some words that have been used in the music video right now that I'm about to present to you might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. So if you're underage, this music video is not for you. Alright? So I'm going to get into this right about now. Now listen up with me. See? I feel like a selector tonight here. All who rate Dancehall skilla channel and all who rate Dirtz C DiRTz, click the like button.
You want your girl for have good time.
You hear that?
Good time.
You want your girl for have
Nice time.
Remember that.
Nice
Don't
time.
burn up. Listen.
Yeah, the nicest time.
When the rain a fall,
Tell her you WhatsApp and make
phone call.
Instagram.
Hey.
FaceTime talk.
All who like Dirtz C DiRTz song, click the like button, leave in the comments. Let me know what you think about the song here.
She want to pop it up. A slow wine.
Let me know what you think about the song here. Dirtz C DiRTz, listen.
Me want to get up and just love fuck. Yeah. We jump up on the cocky and wind up.
Boy, my people, me can't play all of the music video tune, you know, my people. Me can't play all of the music video tune, you see me I say, because really and truly, you don't know there are certain rules and so forth towards this thing. But if you want to hear the rest of it, and if you want to hear the whole light, just go over to Dirtz C DiRTz YouTube page. See me? I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below. When I click that link will take you to at least one of his music video, or this same music video that I'm talking about. And from there, you can find either the channel or the rest of his songs or music videos. You see me? I say, Dirtz C DiRTz a good artist. You see me? Click the like button if you don't like Dirtz C DiRTz song. You see me? I say, yeah man, click the like button. I'm gonna leave in the comments. Let me know nothing. I'm gonna play some white right about now. I feel like a selector tonight. I'm gonna play some white right now. Listen again.
Open your legs, make me push it, tell the thing up. Slap the body, John the man, squeeze him up. Breast in the mouth, make a girl get ready for fuck. You want shit? For the clitoris, rub it and feel it up. Once you get wet, she ain't gonna make you know she want the fuck. So turn it back, me and you so cocky and jack it.
People,
Nicest time.
oh look here, so I never tell you say the explicit. The explicit.
Phone call, Instagram.
The artist leave that one and crab up. Oh look here, so I never tell you.
Sweet wine, water start run. She want it.
Jano, the music video, I feel like a selector tonight. Yeah.
It for done is a next man, girl. Me a bunch, you want it 10.
Alright, me tap it right there, so. Me have to tap it right there, so. People, if you don't want to hear the rest of the song or the full song without me disturbing, you know, really, you can go check it out on the YouTube channel. You see me I say, yeah, the link for the song are to the channel there down below in the description of this video. Viewers and subscribers, just want to know about the song. The song shot. See me I say, or you can say me just want to know about the music video. The music video shot. You understand? I want to go check it out. You see me? Yeah, Dirtz C DiRTz. You understand? You know, people. I just have to leave that one here. You see me I say, Dirtz C DiRTz. Big up yourself anywhere in the world. Big up yourself. You understand me? I'm a Dancehall skilla, say that. You see? Right about now, I'm going to switch personalities and get into a video that me about to present to you. So me I say, what me just say a while ago. Let me say that again, Right about now, me I go switch personalities and present a video to you. So me I say, I don't want to think about that music video that I just talked to you about. Dirtz C DiRTz music video. So me I say, yes, so me I go move on to the video right now. Now, I'm going to present to you a video that had been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not know when the video had been recorded. See, but this video is circulating on social media where it is said that the video shows how a police officer treated a man at a police station that is located somewhere within the country of Guyana. See? Now, many comments have been made about this video on social media, and some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the video shows something that is considered to be police brutality. You see? Yeah, many comments on social media gave me the understanding that many persons are talking about this video, and they're talking about how a police officer treated a person who had been arrested by the police within the country of Guyana. See? People, more I tell me what to think about this video, because this video shows when a police officer dragged something that had been placed on a person's 2 feet that is known as ankle cuffs. Some persons might also call it leg cuffs. You understand? Yeah, the so-called thing that is known as ankle cuffs had been placed on the person's 2 feet, and the police dragged that, and the person dropped and hit his back on the ground. I'm not sure if the person hit his head either. I'm not sure, but I'm just telling you what I saw. You understand? Some people want to tell me what I think about this video. Tell me if you think this video shows police brutality, or if you think it don't show police brutality, or what. Let me know what you think about this video. So may I say, and I'm going to tell you what I think as well, alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Don't work. Buddy. I tried to keep you don't talk to the man now, show the ignorance man. Beat up the man, yo. Fight to the man now. Fight to the roll up on the ground and select that now, man. Now you're talking to the man. Fight to the man now. Yes, sir. When I take off the hoodie, and let me see your badge number and your name. Yes, sir. I don't have time to wait for this, man. Right. You pull it now. Pull it like show me something. Let's pull out your jacket, let me get the name now, officer. How's it, Daisy? What's the officer there? What's the officer there?
Name? Isa? What's the officer name?
What's the name, officer?
Isa?
Officer, what's the name? I don't know your name. This is how you want to know. What's the name of your badge number?
Officer, excuse me. Excuse me.
The citizens are asked to comply with the police, and the police have the right to not comply with the citizens. Yeah. They are no rights. Holy man, dog. Knock your head, lock you up in the cell. This criminal man. Refuse to give a name and a badge number. Man intoxicated, I would have begging for you all the time, just see go home. It's my work. Working with me during the day, work taxi during the night.
You sorry, man. Your holy head. Listen to me. He was giving the male a hard time. I tried putting him in there, he saw he was leaving. Me said the officer right with how he did it. But he saw.
Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I've said this before in previous videos, and I'm going to say this again. I respect police, and I would not ever try to disrespect the police. No. See? But just like how you have good persons out there who do good things, you have bad persons who do bad things out there as well. See me? So you have good police officers and you have police officers that are considered to be bad based on what them do. You see? Now, in my point of view, that police officer should have never dragged the thing that is known as handcuffs and dropped the person in such a way. I do not think that is good policing. You understand? I don't know what the person had done, but I think that a police should always set the good examples for civilians to follow. You see me? Now, you can let me know what you think about the things that I just said, but I'm just telling you what I think. And you don't know me Dancehall skilla. Me keep it as real as possible without disrespecting anyone, alright? Now, here's where I'll leave it to my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.